Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and much more ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, too short wave and curl on hair, messy hairstyles, spiky hairstyle, and different ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color. And so beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. Different ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose and bang. And much more beautiful and latest variety ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video your friends, your family members and others. Please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.